Hello, my name is John Heredia, and I'm the Director of Facilities, Maintenance, and Operations for the Cajon Valley Union School District. We're here to talk about the bond measure coming up on the November ballot. Measure W will ensure our students and staff have the facilities necessary to create a safe, high-quality learning environment. Although the majority of our projects will be modernization of the schools, adding keyless entry, security camera upgrades, and creating more shade with shade structures. We will also be adding some additional buildings to some of the sites to meet the needs of the changing learning environment. These would include a performing arts building at Flying Hills, a new gymnasium locker room at Hillsdale, septic tank replacements at Fuerte and Crest, bathroom gut and remodel at Greenfield, repairing and replacing leaky roofs, replacing inefficient HVAC, and renovating classrooms, extending spaces throughout our district. This list goes on and on. These projects simply cannot be done without a bond. The bond measure will not increase the current tax rate, and the funds cannot be taken by the state and spent elsewhere. Additionally, with voter approval, Measure W will also allow us to qualify for up to $132 million in additional state matching funds. For more information on how this will impact your individual school, please visit cajonvalley.net/bond. Thank you.